Hello everyone. So in last lecture we have seen how to get list of material from the SAP, but it has very less fields or less data as compared to the MM03 or whichever data we are maintaining in the T code MM01 or change in the MM03 or display in MM0 change in MM02 and display in MM03. So to cope up with this issue, we have another T code SE16N in which we can use the different tables. So firstly, to understand what's the difference between MM60 and MM03 and why SE16 is there, we'll take one example. For here I am providing one material in MM60 T code, which is nothing but material list. If I execute this T code, I have very less details here. Only material, plant, valuation type, description, and created by. Not much details. So, for example, for this material, if I want basic data, all the basic data details, as a end user, what I will do, I will go to the T code MM03, click on provide this material, click on enter, and I will select the basic data 1 and 2 and execute. Click on enter. Here you will see old material number, material group, lab office, gross weight, net weight, all these details. But these details are not available in MM60. So from MM60 you will get only the list of material. From that you need to go to the MM03 to code to get each and every details. And these details are not exportable. We can't export these as a Excel. So in such cases, what we'll do, we'll utilize the database or the SAP tables. SAP tables are nothing but whenever you are creating any master data or doing some transaction in the SAP, that data will be stored in the SAP database. So from that database, we will export the data. How to do that? We'll see. So for that, T code is SE16N. If you click on enter with this SE16N, you will see the heading is General Table Display. Like it will act as a database for the SAP application. So for every master data or transaction data, SAP has provided some standard table. For example, for getting the basic data of the material, SAP standard table is MARA. You can find out these tables as per your requirement on Google also or ChatGPT. If you want detailed video on SCP only how we can find all this table, you can ping me in the comments. I will prepare that video as well. But for now, these are some standard table which are available. So out of which I will take the Mara table, which is storing the general material data, nothing but the basic data 1 and 2. If I take this table, put it here, click on enter, then the field and the filters will be available here. Now, here filters are there like material, created on, created by. If I provide the material number here, same material number which we opened in MM03 as well as in MM60, same material I will open here. I'll provide the material. Rest of the field also you can provide. These all fields are nothing but filters. You can provide the filters and get the data. So once I provide this material number and click on execute, so here you can see lot of fields are there. For example, here industry sector is there. In MM60, you will not find the industry sector. Okay. Or in MM03 also, it is difficult to find the industry sector. You need to click on the information on material. Then you will see here the industry sector. See, 6. So these all details in the table or SCP table, you will find in a row and column manner. See, created on, created by most of the fields from the MM03 basic data 1 and 2 you will find it here with the details whichever available against mm03 or that material. See, lab office is there, purchasing value key is there, and these details are also we can easily export it. If you click on this export button and spreadsheet, you can export these details also. So this way these tables are like very beneficial for users to get the details from the SAP, right? So up to this session, this much information regarding the SAP table is enough. Kindly ignore the firecrackers noise in this video as it is a period of Diwali. So on these tables for different views, different tables are there. For example, if you want only storage location data, then you can use the MARD table. You can provide that table here in this table name. Click on enter. You will see this table is for storage location data of material. Here you can provide the different filters. For example, if you don't know the materials, then here you can provide the UK01 as a table. And if you execute, system will provide all the materials against the plant UK01 for all the storage location. So if you play with these tables and this SE16N, then you can explore more things. On the left hand side, you will see the field name. On the right side, you will see the technical name of that field. So these things, if you are working as a functional consultant and having 6 to 8 years of experience, then for logic building, these all things are very important. But as of now, as an end user or as a beginner to the SAP consultant, you can utilize this T code and these tables to get more and more information about the material master. Okay, as compared to the MM03, which is here you need to go like view by view. Instead of going view by view, and you are not even able to export these details. And in MM60, details are there but are very less. So as compared to these two T codes, if you have the table access, if you are working as a super user or champion user, or if you are working as a junior consultant or consultant, then you will have the table access and you can easily extract or export the material master data based on your requirement. This standard table list you can easily find on the Google, or else you can, there is two or three way also from the other point of view, that with the help of that we can easily find out the tables against the data. So this is the simply like explanation about the SCP table for material master data. You can explore more and more tables from the Google, and with the help of T code SE16N, you can provide that table here, click on enter, provide different filter condition and execute and get the details. So this is about the, this all about material master data we have completed. From the next session, we will start the vendor or supplier master data and its configuration. Thank you.